In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal Ethereum or ETH wallet address. To get started, open the official PayPal website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're on the genuine PayPal site before continuing. Once you're logged in, look for the Finances section or go directly to the crypto area if that option is visible on your screen. In some versions of PayPal, you may also see something called the Crypto Hub, so open that if it's available. From there, find Ethereum, usually listed as ETH, among the cryptocurrencies available in your account. Select Ethereum to open its details. This is important because PayPal may support more than one cryptocurrency, and you want to be certain you're working with the correct one before generating a receiving address. Next, choose the Receive option. This is the feature that allows PayPal to generate a crypto receiving address for your account. If PayPal asks you to confirm which cryptocurrency you want to receive, select Ethereum again. After that, PayPal will generate the address associated specifically with ETH. Once the address appears, click or tap Copy to save it to your clipboard. In many cases, PayPal may also show a QR code. That can be useful if the sender wants to scan the address instead of copying and pasting it manually. Either method works, but accuracy is extremely important when sending or receiving cryptocurrency. Before you share the address with anyone, take a moment to verify that it is definitely the Ethereum receiving address. This step matters because crypto transactions are not easily reversible. If funds are sent to the wrong address or the wrong crypto type is used, the transfer can be permanently lost. So always double check that the address shown is for ETH and not another asset. When you're ready to receive Ethereum, paste the copied address into the sending wallet or exchange. If someone else is sending the funds to you, provide them with the copied address or the QR code. In either case, make sure the address is checked carefully before the transaction is confirmed. After the transfer has been sent, you can monitor the transaction inside your PayPal activity section. That's where you'll be able to check the status and confirm whether the transfer has gone through. And that's how to find your PayPal Ethereum wallet address, copy it safely, and use it to receive ETH correctly.